We've already seen that we can have log on our calculator. We've got log to base 10 and we've got log to base e, which probably should be written as ln, natural log. So we've got log to base 10 on our calculator, log to base e. What happens if we want log to base 4 of the number 5? Well, we know that 4 to the power of 1 is equal to 4, and 4 to the power of 2 equals 16. So 5 is in between 4 and 16, closer to 4 than it is to 16. So our answer is going to be, we want to know for a logarithm is an index, what is the power must we raise 4 to get the number 5. So x is going to, or our logarithm is going to be approximately equal to 1 point something. Okay, so it'll be closer to 1 than it is to 2. And there's no way we can work out with ratio and proportion. We can say, well, there's only one more. There's a gap of, 12 between 4 and 16. So, don't think that way. That's not the way logarithms work. So you don't have to come up with some way of working out what this value of x is. And so that when we raise 4 to that power, we're going to get the number 5. We use what's called the change of base theorem, and it's fairly straightforward. If you want the log of n to base b will be equal to log of n to base a over log of b to base a. All right, bit of mumbo jumbo, but let's have a look at what the pattern says. We want log to this base. Now, whatever the base is, the way to remember this rule is that that base goes down there. Whatever's there goes on the bottom, whatever the number is goes on top, and we can change it to any base. Now, we use one of these. We've either got log to base 10 or log to base e, because they're the ones that are on our calculator. So let's do log. We want to find out what log of 5 to base 4 is. So we'll go log, now I won't write base because it'll be base 10 of what the pattern is, whatever the number is goes on top. So the 5 goes on top over log of 4. Now these are to base 10. Or we could have gone natural log 5 over natural log of 4. We'll still get the same answer. So if we put that in on our calculator, now you need a calculator to do change of base. So we'll put up the top here, use calculator. So all we do is on your calculator put log 5 and then a divide by sign and then log 4, and we'll get 1.161. All right, now that doesn't matter whether you use log to base 10 or natural log. Even doing it that way, you'll get 1.161. So that will be the answer. That means that this base 4 raised to 1.161 will write approximately equal to, the more decimal places obviously the closer your approximation is equal to the number of 5.